Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is a very simple Tkinter programming program here. Basically we're just going to open a Windows file dialog box. So what you need to do, you need to import these modules into your Python program before we start. And then we're just going to create a subroutine called open dialog box. Okay. Then we're going to do file name is equal to file dialog dot ask open file name. And now we're going to print file and file name. So down here we're going to put root equal to tk.tk, and we're going to use root dot withdraw here so we can hide the root window. All we do is call the program. Let's make that look a little bit neater there. Open dialog box, let's call the program. So open dialog box, save it, and we're going to run it. Slight error, file dialog. Okay, let me just have a look at let's run that again so I know what line number the error is. Line 5. Okay, I think I've discovered the error here. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. Oops. Okay, there we go. But notice if we try and open a file, we can't. So I've got another tutorial which will help you to open the file. There'll be a link for it in this video so you can click on it. Anyway, thank you very much for that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.